Okay, Chris, tell us what you're doing.
Well, right now, sticking my hand inside a turkey's butt to grab its neck. I'm reaching inside a turkey's butt to grab its neck and pull the neck out of its butt. Like
Oh
so.
my gosh, are you sure that's a neck?
I don't know what it is.
Okay, trying to find a package.
Oh, I don't think there's anything in here.
Keep looking. Keep searching.
Pretty sure my fingers are popping out of its neck.
You sure? Your hand's not that far in there. Come on.
Yep, my fingers are right there.
There's no package?
No.
We have a heartless turkey?
Yep. Or it's still in there.
Oh, gross. Let's see. There's nothing in there. That's disgusting. Alright, I'm gonna end it.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.